This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix standby mode black screen, or if you're facing standby mode goes to black screen issue. Follow these easy steps to fix this issue. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on standby, and this is iPhone 13 Pro series device, and if you're using 13 or lower device, you won't get the always enable option here. But if you are 14 Pro series users or newer version users, then you will get here the always on display option. So all you have to need to fix standby mode black screen issue, you have to enable this option. So that's how we can fix this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.